The first step is to simply go to Throne, and then what we're gonna have to do is simply go to Wishlist. Now from here, we're gonna have to click on Add Gift in the top right corner, and then simply click on Add Cash Gift. Now we're gonna have to simply enter a title for this gift, so you can simply add something like donation. Then we can simply select the emoji and change the color if we want, or if you want, you can also upload a custom image. Then here we have the payout, so you can change and choose your currency, and from here you can simply enter the amount. You can also add a quantity and then simply add a gift description. Now, once you do that, you're gonna have to simply click on Add to Wishlist, and basically that's all we have to do. So as you can see, whenever they get redirected here, they can simply buy this, and then we're gonna receive the money. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.